Saudi Arabia's oil output is reportedly expected to return to normal levels within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Now, that's much quicker than initially thought, especially in the immediate aftermath of last weekend's drone attacks. Now, due to the revised outlook, global oil prices seem to be stabilizing following an enormous double-digit spike on Monday. Meanwhile, U.S. Vice President Mike Pence says the U.S. is evaluating evidence on the attacks on Saudi oil facilities and stands ready to defend its interests and allies in the Middle East. Our Hyo-sun reports.
Global oil prices, which has spiked following last weekend's drone attacks on two of Saudi Arabia's key oil facilities, seem to be stabilizing at a faster pace than originally projected. Oil prices dropped over 5% on Tuesday after Saudi Arabia's energy minister said the kingdom has successfully restored its oil production. As of Tuesday morning, West Texas Intermediate crude was trading at just under $60 a barrel, down 5% from the previous day. Brent crude also dropped by over 5%, trading at around $65 a barrel. Oil prices soared nearly 15% on Monday in response to the attacks. Citing Saudi government sources, Reuters reports the country's oil output is expected to be back to normal within the next 2 to 3 weeks. This comes as U.S. Vice President Mike Pence said on Tuesday that Washington is reviewing evidence that suggests Iran was behind the attacks and the U.S. is ready to defend its allies in the Middle East. Speaking at the Heritage Foundation in Washington, he stressed that President Trump will determine the best course of action in the coming days. This comes after Trump hinted Sunday on possible military action, saying the U.S. is, quote, locked and loaded. Pence also revealed that U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo left for Saudi Arabia on Tuesday to discuss countermeasures to the attacks. On a related note, a senior U.S. official told CBS News on Tuesday that the drones were launched from southern Iran at the northern end of the Persian Gulf. The official said the exact location had been identified, from which some 20 drones and cruise missiles were launched against Saudi Arabia's oil facilities. Hyo-sun, Arirang News.